Step into the era of precision control. Introducing the HDKATOV KD60 multifunction production panel. KD60 works seamlessly with ATEM switchers, vMix Live software, and BitFocus Companion effortless integration for every production. Fully customizable buttons, knobs, joysticks, and faders give you a personalized workflow for any live production scenario. Control up to 40 PGM or PVW channels, perfect for large-scale shows, sports, and complex switching. Switch transitions instantly, mix, sting, DVE, and more, while the T-bar and LED bar deliver smooth fade control. The 4D joystick ensures accurate pan, tilt, zoom, and focus, perfect for dynamic multi-camera setups. Smart physical control plus companion integration with real-time key displays for enhanced control visibility. Customizable RGB keys with crystal clear keycaps, easy to operate under any lighting. Supports 12 PGM and 12 PVW tally outputs. Stay in sync with cameras and team on every production. Natively supports BitFocus Companion control over 550 devices for an integrated AV workflow. Seamlessly connect KD60 into your ATEM system and elevate your switching control.